Now we're going to talk about the if else statements, and like I said, the if else statement, the else comes in if you want to give a statement for what will happen if a statement is false. Okay, so like in this case we say if variable 1 is greater than variable 2, echo I love this number. Now what if it's not greater? Like in this case it's not greater, that means it will not echo anything. So you can as well say else. Okay, that's how it's been written, and then you open a curly brace, and then you tell it what to do. Echo this is false. Okay, so we can just quickly check that, and you see this is false. Instead of echoing nothing or displaying nothing on the screen, at least you know that it displays the sentence or the statement that negates what the logical expression. Okay, so that is how if else statements work. Now we're going to take some other examples and let's see how we're going to do that. Now I'm going to set some other variables here. Let's say variable a is equal to 3, variable b is equal to 5, variable c is equal to 9, sorry, and want to write an if else statement using some logical operations, some mathematical connectives. So now it's going to be like this: if variable a is greater than variable b and the and variable is written like this, okay, and b variable b is less than 9, sorry, that's variable c, which is 9. Now want it to do something, okay? Now echo this is the first connective, okay? Else echo this is not true. Okay, now let's see how that's going to work. Now let's explain it. Now a is 3, b is 5, and c is 9. Now the and statement says the both conditions must be true for it to be true. Okay, now a is greater than b, which is false in this case, and b is less than 5, which is true. Now it's not going to echo the first statement, it's going to echo the second one, because the and statement says the both statement must be what must be true. Now let's refresh that and see what we get. Now you see this is not true. Let me quickly put a BR tag there so that we'll understand what we're doing. Okay, now let's do that again. Now you see this is not true. Now that's because the and logical connective says the both statement must be true. Now if I happen to change this to less than sign, you discover that the statement here will change because the both statements now are true. Okay, let's try for or. We'll try that for or. I'll copy the whole statement again and let's echo a BR tag quickly. I'll paste that there. This time around it will be or, and the symbol is written like this. Okay, now a is less than b or b is less than c. Now the or statement say at least one of the statement must be true for the whole statement to be true. Now in this case, the both statements are true. Okay, so that means this statement will be true. Now let's try that and see. Now you see this is the first connective. Now if I happen to change 1 to the greater than sign, you see the answer remains like that. Now if I change this one to, it now changed to give you the else part of the statement. Okay, let me save that. So you see this is not true. Now that is because the both statements are what? False. So that is how the logical connectives work.